Okay guys, hi, I am back. This is my backyard, and in this video I will show you if the bird got away and flew, or if it's still in here, which would be sad. And this is the big tree where its mom and dad are, and I'll give you 5 seconds to try to like and subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Try to do that, and tell me in the comments below. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you could do that, then tell me in the comments below. And drum roll please. This is to see if the bird stayed in or if it didn't. And sadly, he is still in there, right there. It's calling to its mom. And it has his head stuck in his body. And it has his head. And there it is. It's awake. It's right there. And it is calling to its mom right now. You can hear the chirping. And that means it's okay. It's basically telling its mom he's okay and he's not dead. And we brought him inside for the night, as you can see, because crows will eat it, and it can't fully fly yet because it can fly out of the box. It just can't stay up. So yesterday we kept it outside and it flew out and then dropped and landed in a bush, and we had to get it because it was stuck. So yeah, it is still in here. We're going to keep it out for the day so that its mom can feed it, which is really cool when you see it. And if you liked this video, then thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.